At Kia EV Days, we saw 3 vehicles that we've never seen before.
Now, the first member of the family is the EV5. We know this is going to be produced, we know it's coming to North America. We don't know quite when or how, but in a couple of years' time, we're expecting to see this on the road. It's a very square, it's a very modern, robust vehicle. It's a contrast between things that are smooth in nature and man-made products. And this vehicle is light and airy, and it'll even get a frunk up front, making use of some of that space which would have been taken up by a gasoline engine.
This is the world of Kia's electrifying journey. The Kia EV6 has already dazzled the automotive world, collecting prestigious awards like there's no tomorrow. But that's just the beginning. The EV9 is revving up for its debut in people's driveways in the next few months. You'll witness the arrival of this groundbreaking 3-row electric SUV in the market. Kia has a grand plan to electrify the globe, creating a network of 8 state-of-the-art production facilities worldwide by 2025. These facilities will be tailor-made to meet the diverse demands of markets, from the compact EVs of Europe to the robust options for our American friends. Now, while the Kia EV5 won't grace the roads in the USA in its current form, it's a sneak peek into what future electric vehicles could resemble. With its iconic cabin design and its expected range of around 300 miles, it's a glimpse of Kia's innovative prowess. But wait, there's more.
This is the EV3, the first of 2 concepts that we saw here today, and this vehicle is for the modern young adopter. It's a smaller crossover, it has a lot of space on the inside, they've pulled the windshield very far forward, it does get that frunk up front. You'll see the vertical daytime running lights, the vertical headlights, and it also has a lot of animation up front here as well. And on the inside, it has a sliding table.
Behold, these concepts are more than just dreams. Kia is pushing the boundaries of material innovations. The innovation reflects their commitment to materials that are not just robust, but also environmentally friendly. They're using natural dyes to paint the impressive lineup of vehicles. No more chemicals, just nature's touch.
Another concept, this is the EV4. This vehicle is concentrating on performance. It's not an SUV, it's not a sedan. It's in a grey space somewhere between, and they've decluttered this vehicle, made it very simple, but looking like it's something that could really go 0 to 60 in a record amount of time, with that sloping roof, with that motion forward. And on the inside, they used a lot of new material ideas.
Ever wondered about the plastic waste haunting the oceans? Kia has a mission to rescue the seas from discarded plastic and transform them into automotive materials. Just like we've been recycling plastic bottles for years, they're stepping up by cleaning pollutants from the ocean and giving these plastics a second life inside their vehicles.
So my first trip to South Korea, I learned a lot about what Kia is bringing to North America. We know that the 2 things preventing people getting into electric cars are the price of them and the charging infrastructure. Well, when it comes to price, Kia are hoping to price these vehicles between $30,000 and $50,000. And the charging infrastructure, well, they have big plans to change that too.
As we wrap up this glimpse into Kia's electrifying future, remember, they're not just building cars, they're crafting a sustainable, exciting tomorrow for all of us.
I'm Nick Miles.